Alex here from Boiling Water and Beyond, and I'm about to pound out the last bit of the chicken for a future project, and I thought I'd just put that video up here, and because it's not really something that's worth showing since we do it every time we cook chicken. It's just not something that's really going to show up in the rest of the video, so I thought doing a short video on it would maybe clarify a few things. So enjoy. Hey guys, came at a great time. Just pounding out these last 3 chicken breasts for a future project. Figured out something really neat today. If you save these old bags, they make really great little containers for tenderizing your meat in. So you'll notice I'm only touching the meat with one hand. That way I don't have to touch the sink with bloody hands. Alright, 1 second, gotta wash my hands. So when tenderizing chicken or any meat, it's a good idea to have something that contains the blood splash or just juice splashes in. So before we tried just Ziploc bags and parchment paper, but today we figured this thing out. So when you're tenderizing meat through a bag or through anything else, you really want to use the side that doesn't have any little crenulations. Otherwise, you'll poke holes in the bag and get blood everywhere and sort of defeat the purpose. So for this bag, I can put in about 3 at a time, and then just firm, solid, pretty much straight up and down strikes. Pretty hard. Well, it's not hard to do, but I'm striking it relatively hard. The colder it is, so cold meat is easier to cut, but warm meat doesn't do the thing where it shatters out and fractures. So that's probably thin enough for that one. Don't let anyone ever tell you off for tenderizing, because it does really help. You're breaking down the muscle inside of it, so it's less bound up and connected. It's really a better thing to do with denser meats. Like in chicken, you'd really want to do this to dark meat, because you want to do it to both, because the light meat is the fast twitch muscle, and the dark meat is the other kind of muscle that I can't remember the name of at the moment. But they both get bound up pretty tight, and just a little bit of extra effort can really improve the outcome of your dish. So yeah, it's definitely worth to get one of these. They're like less than $5. Just get these bags when you get like vegetables and stuff. Don't throw the bags away. Just if they look dirty, rinse them out, and then you can use them to pound out meat. Alright, see you in the next one.